Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the sleek and stylish VASAGLE Computer Desk. A perfect blend of functionality and industrial design for your home office or gaming setup. This compact desk, measuring 19.7 by 31.5 by 29.5 inches, is ideal for small spaces, offering a sturdy and durable workspace with its high-quality particleboard and steel frame construction, capable of supporting up to 110 pounds. The chic black metal frame paired with a wood grain surface not only provides a modern industrial vibe but also makes it a standout piece in any room. Effortless assembly is guaranteed with clearly labeled parts and straightforward instructions, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on setup. Plus, the adjustable feet ensure stability on uneven floors, so you can work or game without any annoying wobbles or disturbances. Whether you're upgrading your workspace or setting up a new gaming station, this VASAGLE desk combines style, durability, and practicality in one neat package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.